Hi everyone. Welcome back. With the second Sudoku of this additional in the daily newspaper of May the 15th on Friday. The second Sudoku of five Sudokus. Yes, total five. Today there are five extra Sudokus. So the second one is a Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started with this Sudoku. A 4 in the third column, a 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. A 4 in this row, a 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4, I need to wait. How about the 1? The 1 in this column, a 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. And then a 9 in this row, a 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 'N And now in the last row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 in those 2 boxes. Here also a 3. No 3 in this box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 3 missing numbers are the numbers 2, the 5, and the 7. The 2, 5, and the 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. The 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yes. A 3 in this column, a 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And then 5. 2, 5 and yes, these 3 numbers in the middle row. The missing numbers here are the 2, the 5, and the 8. The 2, 5, and the 8. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here also 5, no 5 there. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Well. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 6. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing in this column. 6 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. These 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 missing number in the first column for the number 9, I believe. The 9 is missing here, yes. These 3 numbers of this big square, the missing numbers are the 6, the 3, and the 2. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe, yes. 2 missing numbers here, the 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5 are missing in the first row. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This is 2 in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 in those 2 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9, we have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow, this Sudoku is faster than the previous one. I'm very impressed. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file if you like to. Oh, I have not recorded completely. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Oh. The camera has moved. Oh. Well, thank you for watching. I'm tired. So I see you next time. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I have not recorded completely because the camera I have not positioned to the second one, so I'm very sad. Alright, thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Alright, bye bye.